Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is an extra special day because we're going to draw one of my all-time favorite anime characters. This character has always inspired me with their determination and unwavering spirit, and I can't wait to bring them to life on paper. First we draw a circle. Then we draw a vertical line that divide the circle in half. Then we draw two lines parallel to the first line, the aim of which is to draw the 6 eyes. Then we draw 3 lines parallel to each other and perpendicular to the first 3 lines. We add some details to the shade and then we add hair to the head. When we're done, we'll add the characteristic wound of this demon. And here we will start by redrawing with the ink pen intended for drawing.
Remember, drawing is not just about replicating what you see. It's about adding your own personal touch and injecting life into the artwork. The key to capturing the essence of any character is to understand their personality, their backstory, and the emotions they evoke. Every line we draw should reflect their unique traits.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming doubts like they're playing cards, close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, or nothing at all.
And here we have it, my tribute to this incredible character who has inspired so many. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more drawing tutorials and creative adventures. Until next time, keep drawing and keep creating. See you in the next video.